Good morning, children. I'm Teacher Favour. Welcome to Science class. Today, we are going to talk about: is the air wet? When we put a wet towel under a moving fan, the towel became dry after a while. Do you know what happened to the water from the towel? Did the water just disappear? Let us see what happens when we iron a wet towel. Did you see the steam coming out from the wet towel when we iron it? This steam is made of hot water in the state of a vapor or gas. After a while, we don't see the steam anymore. What happened to the steam? When the hot water boils, the water changes from a liquid into a vapor. This change is called evaporation. Even though the water vapor cannot be seen, it is still there. This water vapor makes the air wet. We can only see the water again when it changes back into the liquid state in a mist or fog. How else can we make the air wet? Do the following and see what happens. Boil some water in a kettle. The liquid water is changed into hot water vapor called steam. How else can the air become wet? What do you think happens? When we sweat on a hot day, the sweat evaporates from our skin and we feel cooler. When we hang our wet clothes in the hot sun, the water evaporates from the clothes, leaving the clothes dry. Do you think there is water vapor in the air we breathe out? Do this experiment. Take a mirror and breathe on it. Look at what is left on the mirror. The water vapor from our breath condenses, changes back into the liquid state. Can plants make the air wet? Do this experiment. Cover a branch of a bushy plant with a clear plastic bag. After 1 to 2 hours, check on it. The bag looks misty, doesn't it? You see small drops of water on the inside of the plastic bag. This shows that the plant has given off water vapor. Remember how the mirror became misty when we blew our breath on it? This shows that our breath has water vapor when we breathe out. In the same way, a plant's breath has water vapor when it breathes out. But instead of saying that the plant breathes out, we say it transpires. Mist will disappear because of the heat from the sun. That's all for today, children. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.